lining up for this Sacramento Raceway. Cali versus everything. Yeah, I know you see it. A little bit of everything out here. Yeah. This way. Hey, you guys, I'm out here at the, where are we at today, young man?
Sacramento Raceway.
Sacramento Raceway. And you guys saying this is the last go around?
That's what I hear from the higher ups.
And the higher ups. So how long have you been operating here with it?
I've been coming out here since 1966. I've been working about the last 18 years here.
Wow. Okay, so if they shut this down, what will become of the people, who do participate in this stuff? Has you guys been getting a lot of turnout, people coming out here and everything?
We've been getting between 130 and 150 cars every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday.
And I talk to the kids because it's just street car night.
Yeah, yeah.
And I mean, they're all ages, but I talked to them and I said, so what are you guys going to do when this place, does close for good? And they're like, I guess we'll go back to the street.
Oh, man. So you're giving basically a safe environment to do test and tune, run your car, a little competitive, and they're going to take that away because someone decides to sell out. But will there be any other big tracks opening anywhere else in Northern California? Or just, like you were saying earlier, our discussion that they're thinking that they won't. It'll just be the end of it?
I think the only way you get a racetrack in this state right now, with the group running the state, if you put electric drag strip in, you would be okay.
You'd be okay.
As everything that showed up was electric.
Okay. Less polluting, less noise, just zip, zip, zip.
Yeah, quiet. Everybody.
So do you think the future here will be housing development coming to this area? Or
I don't believe it's going to be houses, from what I've gathered. But,
big warehouses perhaps. I've seen a lot of that going up around the area.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay. Question. The many years you've been here, what's been your biggest turnout events you've seen?
In the 70s, we had what they call the WCS meets. It was like a national event. I mean, you had everybody from Don Carlos to Mo Downey.
Oh, the big names. Okay.
Chi-Town Hustler. All the big, Of course, everybody would come to this racetrack.
Okay. And so in the recent years, what have you seen the demographic change to? Have these type of events drawn pretty good crowds?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
These draw crowds.
Because I was here for the Dunk Master one when he came the first time, and it was a pretty large people. A lot of people here.
I happened to be in Bakersfield at a race when that one was here. I heard all about it.
Okay.
I got a phone call down there telling me all about it.
I'm like, hey, it's going on here. Well, man, nice talking to you, man. Yes. Hopefully they'll figure out something that way we can keep the youth involved and keep them off the streets and keep the sport alive.
Yeah, that's and I want to interview with TV channels. I tried to tell them, that this closes, these kids are going to have somewhere to go, and they wouldn't put it. They don't want to hear that.
Well, I'm gonna put it there. Yeah. So hope everybody sees this. Let you know that hey, we're gonna put it out there. We need an area for people to be safe and they can do their thing. That's all I gotta say. Money Stereo Installation. We gotta go. Woo.
Hey, I'm trying to be like you, man. I'm trying to be like you. Hey, y'all little niggas quiet. I know. You know what?
Morning, how we doing?
boy, this looks like some go fast right here. Boy, look at the wheels. The wheels is no joke. All right.